Hello, welcome to Talks Without a Map, the podcast where we take you on random discussions about any topic, just like Google Maps on a bad network. What's it, Rohan?
Yeah, absolutely. Because, see, who needs a plan when we can just wing it and call it a free-flowing conversation?
Of course. And today's topic is something every single person struggles with. Quick breakfast options.
Oh, yeah.
Because let's be real, most of us, should I say people like me, are not waking up early to make gourmet meals.
Yeah, same here, actually. See, mornings are for regretting staying up late. अभी तो इतना नहीं होता, but it used to happen to me earlier. It is not for making dosas from scratch, is it? It's for waking up and regretting staying up late.
But Rohan, we also don't want to survive on just chai and 2 Mare biscuits now. So today we'll discuss breakfast ideas, मेरे जैसे kitchen shortcuts and some very heated breakfast debates.
Acha, heated. Pun
yeah,
intended.
pun
Pun
intended.
intended. Yes, because see, nothing divides people like food opinions.
Yeah.
Debates की बात आपने की है, इसलिए I'm saying that.
रोहन एंड यू नो कि हमारा जो वर्क स्केड्यूल होता है वो कितना इरेटिक हो सकता है. लाइक समटाइम्स वी स्टार्ट अर्ली मॉर्निंग एट 7-8 एंड दैट टाइम हैविंग ब्रेकफास्ट is a big
Task.
struggle.
Yeah.
So how do you manage?
Well, see, generally I don't wake up very early. It's only during work that I have to get up early. And the first thing, high five. So the first thing that comes to my mind is, okay, I'll wake up early. That's fine. But then खाना तो पड़ेगा और अच्छा खाना है, because I'm very particular and conscious about what I eat, how much I eat and when I eat. So then it just came to my mind that, okay, if I have to formulate some quick breakfast options, तो क्या हो सकते हैं कि life आसान हो जाए इनसे. So that's why I just, I discussed this, that let's just talk about this time.
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you make
But
generally?
what I feel, breakfast should come with a warning. They look easy,
Huh.
but you still end up eating bread butter. I mean, I'm being realistic.
And jam also. at
Yeah,
times.
I'm not a jam fan, so
Acha.
so what I do is sometimes I feel like eating healthy. Then what I do is I make overnight oats. I just soak some oats in milk and just put trail mix का packet. एक छोटा packet आता है 25-30 रुपए का. So उसमें dry fruits रहते हैं. So I just like put those dry fruits in that and overnight वो fridge में रख देती हूँ. Then सुबह after I get up I just remove it from the fridge so that उसका temperature भी ठीक ठाक हो जाता है by the time I get ready, and I eat and I go.
That's quite a good option actually, if you really think about it. So I am, as I said, I'm very particular about what I eat. So for me, there are two things which are paramount. Number one, it has to be filling.
That's very important.
मतलब at least 3 घंटे मुझे पेट से ये आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए that अरे अभी खाना चाहिए that way.
Yeah.
And I'm young also, so sorry. And I work out. I have a very active lifestyle, so I need to have my nutrients on time. And the second thing is nutrition, which I just spoke about. So protein, carbs, fats, everything has to be there, especially during the morning, because it's very important. It's your breakfast. So at times, if I have a 8 o'clock recording and I have to leave home by 7:15, 7:20, what I do is at night. So I haven't made this overnight oats yet. I pick a banana, I cut it into slices. I add my whey protein powder to it.
अच्छा.
I add some oats powder
Oh my god.
and milk, normal milk.
हाँ.
And I just mix it in a mixer. I don't know if they call it juicy. I just made that word right now. Anyway.
So is it a smoothie? No.
It's a smoothie, yeah. And I sometimes like to add blueberries, strawberries, some coffee powder to it.
Fancy,
yeah. And I also put almonds, soaked almonds, walnuts, and yeah, that's about it. And this is what I just mix it up in a mixer and probably add chia seeds to it. And I have a nice jar, kind of a mug someone has gifted me. I वो कांच के होते हैं ना straw के साथ. So I nicely pour it in that and I carry it during my recording. मतलब carry as in while reaching the studio I have it.
Move,
so that
you have this breakfast.
In the morning I don't need to actually sit and then piyo usko and it takes a lot of time.
So you don't want to take that effort also.
इतना भी नहीं लेना है. Or if I have time on me, then obviously I'll finish it off. I'll put it in the sink and then I'll leave for work. But yeah, that is my quick breakfast option. If I have more time on me, then obviously it's my standard omelets and toast with a couple of fruits. Some people, they just like to have a thali peat, this Maharashtrian
But again,
cuisine.
to make it, it takes time.
No, not make
yeah.
it. So they have already made it the earlier night, and then just they're going
Acha,
to
they
heat
just
it
warm
up.
it up. Okay.
Warm it up, yeah. Yeah, like
Okay.
poha, I personally like to prepare poha. I like to make it. I don't tell my cook or anyone else to make it. And then because I don't want to do it in the morning, I make it earlier at the previous night. I put it in the fridge, and they're quite fresh in the morning once
But
you heat them up.
But the taste of freshly made poha and जो पहले दिन बनाया होता है, it doesn't.
Now
it
I'll tell
very-
you one thing. I don't know how freshly made must be tasting
Acha.
because I've been making it at a previous night, and my parents
Okay.
don't mind that, honestly.
Okay.
Even if the cook is making, she does it earlier, like the
Acha.
previous day.
Okay.
But yeah, freshly ones are freshly ones at the end of the day. But ये भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, and I make them so well, you know. So
Oh, so the next time when we have recording together, I think you should get.
yeah,
for me.
definitely. But for that we'll have to do it in the morning.
Yeah.
then.
And you know what, Rohan? For me, the snooze button is so important than my breakfast. Like, you know, I don't want to spend time in making breakfast. You know, so whenever मैं कब भूल जाती हूँ overnight oats बनाना, then what I do is I just, you know, put some butter on the bread slices. I have 2 slices of bread and coffee. And coffee also, you know, I try to pick up 3-in-1 ka sachet. So just add hot water and khao and niklo.
That's
That,
also
you know.
quite
Yeah.
perfect. I mean, I remember this. This is generally when we're traveling during our flights, etc. We have this at the airport generally.
Yeah.
This, if you remember.
Yeah.
And certain studios also have this facility. I don't know about the food stuff, but coffee, the 3-in-1, that's quite convenient.
Yeah.
I feel at times. Yeah.
Of course, but they say that there is sugar content, ye, wo, to I don't pay so much attention. Like whatever is required that time, khao or niklo.
Because at that time you need to fill your tummy with
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
Exactly.
And also we are saying quick breakfast options, but in the morning your digestion also is quite quick. So it's fine at times if you have a bit of a more sugary kind of a thing in the morning because your digestive system is more active at that time. So
Thanks
it
for
won't
saying
store it won't store as fats. I'm sure
I won't
nutritionists
feel guilty now.
would agree with this. तो सुबह चलता है कभी कभार obviously. So if it's quick breakfast options, these quick things are fine at times.
Okay.
But I think yogurt is also a good option. What do you
Yeah,
think?
The Greek yogurt and the berries and maybe
Strawberries.
you can strawberries or
Any
blueberries,
berries.
and you can put some maybe honey if you don't want sugar. Then you can put honey or dry dates powder. That is
Okay,
also-
yeah.
So that adds to the sweetness and it has like, you know, thoda powdery types. So it tastes nice with yogurt. I have tried it couple of times
Okay.
and I like it.
And the yogurt is homemade or you buy it from?
होममेड घर का होगा तो ठीक है, otherwise Blinkit.
No, because Epigamia and
Yeah,
these
Epigamia.
has lovely yogurt, I
Yes,
must say, and
yes.
I prefer the Greek, the original one. I mean, not the flavored ones.
Yeah, I ordered that Epigamia. Yeah.
And I just the other day I forgot, but Epigamia is one brand name I'll never forget because I love their
the flavored
yogurts.
yogurts also. Very
Yeah, they're
nice.
also really nice. But as I said, I love the Greek one,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
original unflavored one more.
Yeah.
What about peanut butter? What's your take on that?
I love peanut butter.
Same
That-
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be healthy,
Yeah,
right? Yeah.
good fats and protein and everything. So it fills your stomach.
Yeah. But since you're so diet conscious and all, you know, it must be very hard on you, na, to plan the breakfast for next day.
It actually is. I mean, it wasn't early. I remember during my school days, I was least bothered about what I used to do because my school used to be early. My dad and mom, they used to prepare something in the morning. I remember my mom used to give me a proper sumptuous meal for lunch.
Okay.
But for breakfast, my dad used to fill my my tiffin, and he used to put like a small banana, a few dry fruits,
That's the
and
easiest
some
way,
Mari
na?
biscuit or something like that. I remember he used to put, and I never had any complaints
Okay.
at that time. And of course, during childhood, you don't think about all these things.
Yeah.
You just want to go to school, meet your friends,
Yeah.
etc. But then I think as I grew up, I realized that no, you need to have something which is nutritious, and that is what someone suggested me as well, and it worked for me.
Yeah.
It worked wonders for me. So abhi to I'm too conscious about kuch bhi khao, kuch bhi piyo. First thing has to be water, but
Even I have
yeah,
that. Yeah.
that is number one. तो
Yeah.
कितना भी quick breakfast का हो, पानी तो होना चाहिए.
And what about detox drink?
I don't believe in all those things.
No?
I'm sorry. No,
I
no.
somehow I follow that.
You tell me. So what do you like in that?
You know, I make powder of coriander seeds, then jeera, then sauf, and methi and ajwain. So what I do is I dry roast them, make a powder. So every morning I have that in hot water, and at night.
I would love to have that now in the evening if you're making
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
but
yeah,
then
definitely.
I don't know. I don't know if
have
in the
it.
morning, but if it works for you, nothing like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
At least उससे मेरी acidity काफी कम हो गई है.
oh, great
Yeah.
for acidity.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
about that. Also, what do you think? What should people think when they have to think about quick breakfast options? What should be their contemplation? What should be their
Okay,
preparation?
I should share this with you. You know, today morning I happened to talk to my friend and I said I have a recording today with Rohan and we have to record this podcast episode about this quick breakfast recipes.
Uh-huh.
You know what he said?
Yeah.
He's 50 plus
Mhm.
and what he said? Are Cerelac.
Arey, what? What?
Cerelac.
Cerelac?
Yeah.
As in?
He said you can have it quick breakfast.
Oh.
हम बच्चे होते थे तो
हाँ.
खिला. You know that time I used to
Oh,
feel
no.
so yucky. But after he said Cerelac, अरे मेरे को cravings आ गए यार. अभी.
I've
जिनके
never
नए
had that.
बच्चे
I don't
हुए.
know how it is. I don't know how it tastes. I'm
You
sorry.
never ate?
No, I don't remember having that ever. That's why I'm
Oh.
asking you. What are you saying exactly? I don't know
Yeah,
what it was.
It's a supplement for newborns.
Newborns.
Yeah,
Oh, बाप रे,
yeah.
तो बहुत साल हो गए ना आपको.
But you know, my craving started after he said Cerelac.
Yeah. Acha, okay. Starting from C, I don't know if this starts with C or not, but then the point I'm going to mention right now, the word is it starts with C. How can we forget cereals?
Yeah, cereals. जैसे
Cere-
Kellogg's का,
yeah.
cornflakes.
How
है.
can we forget
I like
that?
cornflakes, huh?
Yeah, conflicts are
But
everyone's
उसमें
favorite.
अभी there is tsunami of information and one gets confused कि इसका सुने कि उसका सुने. But otherwise cereals का तो मुझे काफी handy लगता है option.
And muesli too.
Yeah.
I think it's the same family.
Muesli, yeah.
Cereals.
But उसमें भी they बोलते हैं कि sugar होता है उसमें.
Yeah, we used to buy the sugarless because mom and I are too conscious about these
Oh.
things. Dad is like, kuch bhi lao, anything is fine.
Okay.
But nowadays we have stopped that because our breakfast has moreover become only eggs, egg whites, brown bread. I feel like brown and white both are fine at the end of the day.
Now you get zero maida bread also.
Yeah, sometimes we buy that. Sometimes I buy a sourdough if I'm visiting Bandra because you get really good ones
Yeah.
out there. तो ये मुझे लगता है you need to have different options if you want to quickly make a breakfast. I feel like even dry fruit salad is something nice you can make.
Like how do
You can
make it?
you can
With fruits?
with fruits you can add fruits obviously to that,
Okay.
but dry fruits and fruits together, if you mix any fruits, any dry fruits
With
of your choice,
Greek yogurt?
you can
So
you can mix
like a
you
fruit parfait
वो भी
type.
कर सकते हो
हाँ.
या सिर्फ fruits और dry fruits भी आप ले सकते हो. At least for an hour or two it will keep you full.
And those seeds? Pumpkin
Oh yes, I have bought
seeds
them.
and-
Yeah. I brought them. Yeah. I have them with me right now. Also, I'll show you
Oh.
those. Yeah. तो वो भी they are very nutritious, very underrated. So वो भी आप कर सकते हो. और फिर आप काम पे जा रहे हो या travel कर रहे हो तो बीच में रुक के आप कुछ खा सकते हो.
Yeah.
If you feel hungry in between.
What's your opinion about this protein bars?
It's quite differentiating. I mean, I feel like you should not be used to
Too
those
dependent
or
on-
dependent on
yeah.
them because although they are protein bars, they have a lot of calories. And
Okay.
kabhi kabar it's fine to have it. Of course, especially
It's a savior.
it's
when
a savior. You know,
yeah.
I usually like to have them during trips. Especially foreign trips when you don't have anything at your disposal. मतलब restaurants नहीं होते. तो my mom, dad and I, all three of us, we like to have protein bars at that time because they are filling.
Okay.
तो फिर आगे चलकर कोई दुकान या कुछ मिल जाए restaurant, then we can obviously hawk something out there.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
till then we need to have something like a protein bar.
Okay.
But it should not be a regular affair for you.
है ना?
No,
That's
not
what
at all.
even I feel.
Carry it in your bag as
Yeah.
a backup
Saving.
thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
backup.
Otherwise, don't always go for whole foods. Always go for nutritious whole foods, as I said, as compared to protein bars. But then I remember for quick breakfast also I used to have protein bars at times. घर से निकलो, I just have coffee in the morning first thing. उसके बाद fresh होके while leaving protein bar used to be ready so that I need not actually prepare something and travel. But now I have stopped that. I don't do that. This smoothie is the new thing that I started
Even
doing.
that sattu ka atta,
Hmm.
if you put it in milk,
Hmm.
I think that's quite filling and nutritious also because it's full of proteins.
Yeah, I mean, I can't talk about that because I really am unaware
You
of
could-
sattu's
okay.
nutrients and
It's chane ka atta
absorption.
basically.
Yes, yes,
Roasted
yes.
chana
Yeah,
ka
yeah.
atta.
I mean, I can't vouch for it because I haven't read much about it, or I don't know
No,
anyone.
I have had it and
It's good.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's good.
Okay, now
Only
I
thing
know.
is, one has to develop that
Taste.
Yeah, you can add some jaggery powder or dry dates ka powder to add
Okay.
some taste, and even you can add it in your other, like if you're making dosa and all, you can add that sattu ka atta in that, and you can make it even more nutritious.
That's lovely.
But we're talking about these oats, cereals, ये वो अभी कुछ देसी फटाफट बनने वाला कुछ बोलो.
देसी फटाफट बनने वाला. अच्छा. Popcorn is not desi, sorry.
Come on यार,
Popcorn. You tell me, what do you think? What do your kids
I like
or
poha, upma, but in the quick breakfast recipes, otherwise what you can do is you can just dry roast suji and some veggies and all, and in the morning just add some hot water and make it.
That's a good option, yeah.
Yeah.
I think you
Because
can do that.
one of my cousins, she used to do that. I have never tried, but
Okay.
she used to do that.
Okay.
So I'm going to try that.
I feel like if need be, you can also have some makhana in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can add some chutney to it. Maybe you can add some.
Acha.
But makhana is very good. It's even roasted peanuts.
Yeah.
As I said, this is not going to be a filling breakfast, but at least for starters, you can have this, and while going for work or once you reach your workplace, then you can have your whole meals.
Okay.
But for
Or
that
you can make
first
chuda of makhana
chuda, yes.
and peanuts and
definitely
ऐसे
you can
बना
make
के.
something like that. मतलब
But
इतने सारे
सुबह
options.
sometimes to have that dry
Yeah,
food,
yeah.
I mean it sounds a little boring.
But people have different taste buds. So some
Yeah,
people, I think,
yeah.
I have seen people having vada pav at 7 a.m. also. Well,
Yeah,
so
that sounds more interesting than dry chuda.
I mean, it's quite universal. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, it's more than universal. I would say it's quite relative. So, final question I want to ask you, because I don't believe in this. Do you think Maggi is a breakfast food?
It's a safe bet. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 2 minute में बनती है ना. And if you want to make it थोड़ा सा nutritious बनाने के लिए, you can add some veggies. But again, it's going to be time consuming.
You can add
So,
some cheese also to it.
Of course, yeah.
Cheese is filling. It's
Makes-
tasty
it
and kind of
makes
healthy also.
cheesier. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think Maggi. I'm sure you must be having it during your travels.
Yeah. I love whenever I go in mountains, ऐसी गर्मा गर्म मैगी खाने में क्या मजा आता है
Nice
यार.
with coffee. Wow,
Yeah.
lovely.
Have you tried any YouTube quick recipes? What's your take on that?
YouTube, Instagram, सबके try किए हैं. They are all scams. I mean, they
put
look
on time lapse and I
कुछ
think they
भी
make-
and I really wonder some reels that I scroll. If you don't have time, quick breakfast options ऐसे लिखा होता है, and quick के नाम पे they add almost 20 ingredients.
Yeah.
Then you have to wait तवे पे ये करते वक्त कढ़ाई में ये डालना है वो डालना, मतलब उसमें तो आधी जिंदगी चली जाएगी.
Yeah.
How can those be quick breakfast
Yeah.
options? So I don't believe in those. I'm very
And they
sorry.
have to make those reels in 1 minute or YouTube shorts in 1 minute.
Yeah.
So they
Quickly, yeah.
वो speed
यहाँ
बढ़ा
तो
दे
यहाँ
video
तो
का.
पैन कहाँ रखा है ये ढूंढने में it takes 10 minutes in the first place.
Yeah.
So I don't believe in all of those
Yeah.
things. कुछ होंगे, definitely होंगे, but I feel like the ones we discussed right now, or जो our audience might think about, I think they are much more feasible.
Or for a person like me, leftover cake from the fridge.
क्या बात है, कुछ भी. Like my friend, I remember he was telling me he eats even pizzas and butter chicken for breakfast, and I'm like,
अरे कुछ नहीं होगा तो चलेगा ना, क्यों नहीं?
I just can't relate to it, but that's great. That's a good quick breakfast option for certain people. Yeah. So also talking about cakes, that it has eggs, it has flour. If it is homemade, I feel like it's fine.
Exactly my point.
Yeah.
But scientifically questionable है, but
हाँ.
emotionally तो valid है ना यार.
Because in the morning it takes time for you to come in your senses and for your emotions to get together. So उसके लिए शायद केक अच्छा है.
हाँ.
To get you in your senses, I feel like.
Yeah.
So that's about it. Let us know what kind of quick breakfast options you prefer. What do you like? Do you also think about your nutrition and whether it's a filling breakfast or not before you pack your quick breakfast? And I hope you enjoyed this podcast. Keep following us and listening to us. Thank you.
Until next time, stay fed, stay happy, and don't set your kitchen on fire.